These chamomile-licorice lozenges are a great way to calm heartburn naturally with everyday herbs. While they're a little bit more involved than an infusion, it's entirely worth it when you see the great benefits that they give. They contain water, chamomile, organic licorice root powder, honey, coconut oil, and slippery elm powder, which creates a mucus-like substance in the stomach, protecting your esophagus. To make this recipe, place 2 tablespoons dried chamomile in a small cup and cover with 1 cup of boiling water. Let steep for 10 minutes or until your mixture changes color. Strain the herbs, pressing to get every bit of liquid from the flowers, then combine the tea and honey in a saucepan set over medium-low heat. You're going to bring your mixture to a boil, then turn to low and let cook until the mixture reaches the hard crack stage, 300 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Watch your thermometer closely because this can happen very quickly. At this point, your mixture will turn very dark. That is totally normal. Stir in 2 tablespoons of licorice powder and 3 tablespoons of slippery elm powder until the mixture is thickened. Add in the coconut oil 1 teaspoon at a time until the mixture is smooth and slightly oily. This will make it so much easier to work with. Let the mixture cool slightly, then mold it into silicone candy molds, or you can roll it into small balls. Be careful because the mixture is very hot and can easily burn you. Allow the lozenges to cool. To speed up the process, you can place them in the fridge. If desired, you can sprinkle with cornstarch or arrowroot powder to prevent them from getting sticky. Adults can enjoy 3 to 4 lozenges a day, while children can enjoy 1 to 2 if they're over the age of 1.